So this is a quick overview of the proof of concept of the universal search for treasure data. We're going to be using Algolia to demonstrate this. So Algolia allows us to have multiple search indexes. I'm currently using the Algolia web scraper, which you can see here on the right-hand side. I've configured a number of different web scrapers. This is one for the marketer doc site. You can see that it's scraped the website, which I've set here. I've given it a series of URLs to scrape through, and it's scraped through all of them. It currently has pulled out 57 or 5.7 thousand unique things. If we go and we check out some of the other pages, we've got other ones like this one's for treasuredata.com with 700 unique things. Clearly there's a bit that's been ignored. I need to go fix that. Here's another one for the API docs. It only pulled 184 because we don't have that many docs there. Point is, we can use the web crawler to crawl everything, and then we stash it in Algolia. Here I'm configuring just the base records. You can see here that the details. So we've got the different pages being listed out. So like this one's for treasuredata.com with the title, description, headers, and everything else. What's important about this is that I've got them inside of an application, and that application has different indexes. The different indexes reflect the crawlers. So like here's one's for marketer docs, here's one's for treasuredata.com, treasure boxes, API docs, etc. Now what I've done is I've created a code pen real quick to just visualize this. I'm running just a basic code sandbox here. Essentially in the code, I create a search box, which is this thing. I pass in the public facing API key, and I instantiated the different indexes. So here I've got the treasuredata.com one, marketer docs, API docs, TD blog, and treasure boxes, all being indexed. To make this easier to visualize, I've opened it up in a separate tab. So now I'm searching through all of these indexes at the same time. So if I do something like JS SDK, it says just pinged out the Algolia indexes and returned the real-time values. I can also search for something like getting started. Here's all the things that pop up on that. Let's try Amazon. Okay, there's a bunch of good stuff. Let's try connectors. Here's a bunch of stuff. I have not fully integrated this yet. This is just proof of concept that we can put data into the indexes and have it come out. So this is that. You'll notice that here I am listing in the search results the page it's from and the basic title of the content. I'm also limiting the number of results that come back for each of these. Currently I've got it set at 4, but if I increase this to say 8, and I come back over here and I reload it, you can see here that I've got 7 total. So this UI clearly needs work, but the proof of concept is complete. We can index different sites into Algolia, create a search bar that searches across all of them. Clearly this is ugly, clearly it needs to look better, but fundamentally we can make this work. So this is my proof of concept complete for universal search. Next, I'm going to focus on what it takes to make this actually usable and try and get it integrated on a couple different test pages. Thank you so much for this demo. Please contact Austin Blackstone if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns. Thank you.